Hey guys, Kyle from J.Racenstein. We've got a ProTool pressure washing, soft washing, compact skid here. This skid is designed to pressure wash, soft wash out just about any vehicle out there that you're gonna have for this kind of work. So it'll fit in narrow wheel wells. So if you got a small like NV200 or transit van, it'll fit inside the wheel well there. Or like a Ford Maverick or a Tacoma, it'll fit in between the wheel wells. It's only 42 inches wide and only 48 inches deep. So you don't have to worry about even short bed Mavericks. You don't have to worry about what it can fit. It's going to fit into about any vehicle out there. We got pressure washer on the left side and soft washing on the right side right here. So we have a Honda GX390 5-gallon a minute pressure washer coming off that 55-gallon water buffer tank. Got our pressure hose right up above. It fits 300 feet of 3/8 pressure line. We've got 12-volt soft washing setup on here, so we've got our pump right there, easy to access for maintenance. We got our manifold on the right over here with all of our valves. We got our on-off switch for the 12-volt pump. Got our nice LED display on that switch right there. And we've got our rinse valve for bleach and water, so you can easily switch into rinsing out your system. And we've got 300 feet of half-inch 300 psi soft wash hose. Comes with your gun and your shooter tips, as well as your wand for pressure washing. And on the back, we've got our 55-gallon bleach tank, 55-gallon water tank, 7-gallon soap tank right up front, nice and easy to refill. Our battery box in behind, already all ready to go. So all you got to do when you get this, drop it in your truck or your van, add your battery, add your water input hose to fill up your water. Go ahead and turn it on or fire up the engine and you're good to start cleaning. So this is designed to be an awesome starter skid or small truck or vehicle compact skid if you want to do pressure washing and soft washing out of small vans, or get yourself started on a nice skid for an entry level pressure washing soft wash setup.